Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm going to show you how to get what I think is the best settings for the virtual background removal tool on OBS. So you're going to find a link, and I'll put this in the description. Where I found this was on Michael Fire Jr.'s video on the OBS background tool. So we're going to go to his description, click on the link. I already have it open here for you guys, all the stuff ready and set to go. You're gonna go here when it links you, go to downloads, and you're gonna scroll down and find your operating systems. Mine's a Windows. So let's just open this really quickly. When you open it, you're gonna have these two folders here. You're gonna go to your PC. You're gonna go to program files. You're gonna scroll down till you see OBS-Studio. Past it. You're gonna open this up. You're gonna copy. You're gonna highlight and click and drag into here. It's gonna prompt you to overwrite the setting. I'm just gonna, for the sake of the video demonstration, I'm just gonna not go through with it. I already did it, but just hit the check mark in the upper left-hand corner to automate it, because it's gonna ask you a bunch of times to basically overwrite some files. It's not gonna get rid of any foundational data, so you're good on that. So after that's set, we're gonna go into OBS. Let's take you here now. Alright, display capture. Alright, so now we're in OBS. And I really quickly want to show you guys what this looks like without the filters on before we get into it. So background removal tool off, sharpen off, color correction, and chroma key off. So I'm working with this right now. This is very see-through. This isn't up to standards to record with. If you're working with this and you're trying to do what I'm doing, this will still help you. So leave it up and I'll show you guys how to basically work with it. There may be little imperfections, but honestly, that's just due to my laziness. I was so lazy, I had to find a better way to set this up, because I was at this for hours today. Don't be me. Save yourself time, watch this, and within a few minutes, you'll know how to do this correctly, okay? So let's do it. Let's take it to OBS really quick. Get the settings going. All right. Wrong settings, sorry. We're gonna go to filters. And if you're starting from scratch, create a new scene. And then when you create that new scene, go to video capture device, get it going, hit OK. It's gonna, prompt you for your webcam. You're gonna connect it, whatever you're gonna do. Do this really quick. Then from there, we'll go to your filter settings. Right click, go to filter. You are going to, we're gonna remove this, remove this. These are the main two you need, honestly, and you'll throw a sharpen in there to fix it up at the very end. We're going to plus background removal. Okay. This is what it starts with. This is awful. You can't work with this. This is trash, alright? Alright. Glad we got that out of the way. I went through all of these, all the settings, trust me. Depending on your circumstances, however, I still think out of all these, selfie segmentation is the best. You will have some excess in between your fingers around your silhouette of your body. And you might even have this going on. Now, this is honestly just due to my background. Also with a little editing. We're gonna take down the threshold to 3.03, sorry. That should reduce a lot of spillage when it comes to this happening. 0.03, okay? Threshold 0.03. Contour, we can bring this up to a 0.45 or 0.43. Smooth silhouette, we can bring this up to an 80. I leave a little wiggle room in between it, just in case. Sometimes if you're working with the different segmentation models, that smooth silhouette will actually, you have a finger pointing out here, and it'll reduce it in size by halfway. It looks like a little claw. Stupid. Okay, so we're good to go on these settings. Don't mess with feather blend silhouette. It'll drastically reduce the frames of your camera. It's nice. It adds that glow. Not worth it. Okay. Next, we're going to go to chroma key. So we're going to... Oh, I missed one thing. I apologize. Back in the background removal tool, go to select background color, make it this hex code right here. It's the second to last in the first row. Gotta clean up some stuff. Now, go into chroma key, go to custom. That should be standard. Similarity. This is depending on your lighting and your green screen. Like I said, if you're working with something like I'm working with, this still might work for you. Try it out. Who knows? That's way to figure it out, right? I spent hours doing this crap. So I'm gonna bring it up to 500 to get rid of a lot of the outer glow, or a rough outer glow in a sense. That green crap you see on me. I'm gonna bring this to 500. We're gonna bring the smoothness down to 5. You can mess with this to your preference depending on your lighting, like I said, and your background. Bring it down to a 5. It should get rid of all that crap you saw in between it earlier. If I take this off, you'll see a lot of that space in between. Put it back on. It's pretty much gone. Okay, you can leave color spool reduction at the standard, or you can bring it down to an 85. Up to you. I work with this. So I'm just gonna take this off really quick. Take this off really quick. Put my original back on. It's the same settings. I just prefer my original. You know what I'm saying? Color correction standard. I didn't mess with it really, but you can if you'd like to. Sharpen I have it at 0.03. That's just to clean up the edges around my fingers and around my silhouette in general. This might still happen, but you gotta admit, this is way better than... I'm not gonna do my original, God no. This is way better than that happening, right? You know, it's not working out. Okay. So, the settings are applied. Let's go back to our actual scene. Get the display capture going. Put this at this one. Bring up YouTube. So here's the thing. When you're on, say, different backgrounds, like I'm on a black background right now. If I went to a white background, like I went to Amazon.com earlier, I was messing with some stuff. You might have a bit of grain and filter above you, and you might need to tweak it. So that's why, like earlier, I actually have my similarity at 470, and I started tweaking with it. When it comes to the white backgrounds, it works okay if you bring the similarity down to like 465. It's a good in between the black and white backgrounds, but 500 for what I'm working with. It seems to work pretty well with things. If I maximize this, I don't think I'm gonna get that shitty of an image, right? Yeah, no. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, I can't reach out that far, but I would. Oh, that's awful. God. Anyway, this wasn't too bad. For free, this isn't that bad, you know? Folks, everyone, people, peeps, homies, thanks for checking the video out. I hope you like and subscribe. I'm really trying to build something on YouTube here. I only have a few videos up. Most of it's gaming related, and now at this point, 2 tip videos on software. Specifically OBS and Snap Camera. But yeah, folks, check out my channel. If you like the content, subscribe, interact. Get to know me. I want to get to know you. What's up? Alright, peeps. I'll see you. Everyone take care. I'm out. Peace.